Well, good Saturday evening. I'm Leslie Medine.
And I'm Tom Waite. Our top story here on KCAL 9 News at 10 and streaming on CBSN Los Angeles. Soaring COVID cases are pushing state and health leaders to ramp up efforts to fight the virus. LA County saw its highest weekly total cases since the start of the pandemic, with more than 200,000 infected. And now Governor Newsom wants to loosen the purse strings to fight the spread. KCAL 9's Laurie Perez has more on this plan.
Today, Governor Newsom signed an executive order to prevent price gouging on those home testing kits, saying sellers cannot mark them up by more than 10%. It's one of several announcements he's made recently on how the state is going to combat COVID-19.
Really long. I mean, whether it's by drive-through or, walk up.
Lines at LA County COVID testing sites keep growing as COVID cases surge, and everyone seems to know someone who's been infected.
My son needed to get tested because he was in close contact with somebody from school.
Tested positive a little while ago, no symptoms, but when I confirm that I'm negative, I can, I'm not infecting other people.
To meet those needs, the National Guard deployed Saturday to testing sites like this one in Encino to keep lines moving. 200 CalGuard members will help expand capacity at 50 sites around the state. Meanwhile, Governor Newsom also wants to open the state's coffers, proposing a $2.7 billion emergency response package. Details released Saturday include $1.2 billion to bolster testing by expanding hours and getting more tests to local health departments and schools. $583 million to get more people vaccinated and boosted and to fight misinformation. $614 million to support frontline workers and health systems, and $110 million to support vulnerable populations, including vaccinations and testing for migrants at the California-Mexico border. He'll ask state lawmakers to approve $1.4 billion immediately instead of waiting for the new fiscal year in July. But some political analysts say taxpayers, voters, will have questions about spending $1 billion more than the state did last year on COVID-19.
In an election year like 2022 is for Californians, Democrats control the legislation, but they have to have answers to how this money is going to affect them day to day. And $1 billion more than we spent last year on a virus we still don't understand. So there's going to be political consequences if the governor is off step. I think he just feels confident that by saying that I'm going to throw money at it, Californians are going to be okay with it. And I don't think that's going to fly.
On the governor's side, understanding the federal government will likely reimburse the state for most of those COVID expenses. But one point that could get pushback, he's asking for a new state law that requires employers to give workers more paid sick time off if they become infected. At this point, it is unclear how those employers would get reimbursed or tax credits as they did last year. In Encino, I'm Laurie Perez, KCAL 9 News.